कुतेरेगा उड़ेणी कुड़ेणी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hodagin kana hodani.
Jazakallah khairan kiyan Zoya Gafru bina kurevi kombe kale Ibrahim alayhi salam Adi Ibrahim alayhi salam gawaragina waakatangure Islami tarahakai Demmiganasta itemaki story of Ibrahim Ushahaladeni LKG eke darivarum
Father, oh Father, why do you do it? Why do you win all day? Why do you carve those statues of wood and fashion those idols out of clay? Father, oh Father, why do you do it? Why do you bow down and pray to all of those empty gods you have made when there is such a far better way? There is only one God, La ilaha illallah, Lord of both the earth and sky, who knows all the answers to where, what and why. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. I've looked to the sky, seen the moon and stars come and quickly fade away. I've seen the sun so strong and bright die at the end of the day. I've seen the perfection of all creation in every creature and leaf. And I don't understand any woman or man who denies the one true belief. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. He will not fade and he will not die, and he knows all the answers to where, what and why. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. People, oh people, why won't you heed my call to the straight way? Your hearts are as hard as the idols you carve. You listen but won't hear a word that I say. People, oh people, why put your faith in gods of gold and wood? They crumble away, they have no life. They cause no harm and they do no good. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. I don't understand why you choose to deny that Allah knows the answers to where, what and why. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. People, oh people, you've tried to break me. You've called me a fool and a liar. But I will not burn in your flames, for faith in Allah will cool any fire. So hate me or hurt me, do what you will, even banish me from this land. I will pray to Allah that the truth comes to you, and I pray that someday you will all understand. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah, Lord of both the earth and sky, who will not fade and who will not die. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah. No, I don't understand why you choose to deny that Allah knows the answers to where, what and why. There is only one God, La ilaha illallah.